What we got right here is 2016 to 2023, and this is a Camaro. So we're gonna remove this by popping this out right here, and then we're gonna pop this out, and there's two 7mm right here, and then one right here. The tool we're gonna need is these right here and this. So basically what I'm doing is, can't do it with the left hand, I gotta switch my hand, hold it like that and pop it like so. There you go. And then there's one right here, and then we're gonna go here down on the bottom and just pry it. Kind of lift it up a little bit like there, because this is, I'm going to show you. See that? See, when you lift, see this clip? When you lift it up like this and you pry it out like this, sometimes this thing gets stuck right here. It gets stuck. So now you got 7mm right there, and shoot, where's the other one at? Oh, and one right here, I'm sorry. There's one right there. 1, 2, and 3. So basically, get one off, and another one right here, and one right the bottom right there. I usually try to keep it in here. And then now you're gonna pry it up right here. You're gonna start on the bottom right here and pry it. And then if you can grab your finger in there, it's easy to pull it. Sometimes it's too hard, and I also use this also to get to a certain thing to pry it, because it's not easy to just there you go. See, once you got like that, you pull it like that. Don't pull it too far. You want to pull it about less than 3 inches, so something don't just breaks. That's how people break stuff, is when they don't follow that instruction. Now once you got it all out like this, you can lift this thing up. You grab this and lift it straight up. Lift it up. What you want to do is pry this thing out right there. There's 2 clips right here. You want to come right here and see if you can scoot it and pry it up. Right there, I got one out. I'll link where you can purchase this at. See, right there. So that way you can lift it up. Now you got this, you want to push this up and then pull it and go like this and put it up. This one, pull the clip up. Ouch. It's hard to do a video like this with one hand. And basically pull it and push this clip and pull that out. With 2 hands, much better. Now what you gotta do is take the 7mm out. One. There should be 2 of them. So you got this 2. Put it down here for now and pry it out, because it's all them sticky tape right there. Get that pried out. You lift it up, and then voila. A lot of time I usually cut this around here and try to fit the speaker in. By basically, if you cut this, it's going to be destroyed. So you can literally cut around here and fit that in, or you can just do what I'm doing right here and use a soft tapper screw and screw it in right there. And then for the positive, anything that's solid is positive. Anything with the stripe is negative. So blue is positive, and then brown blue is negative. And that's how you put a new speaker in, or do replacement speakers. You know that this is a pain in the ass to put it back, so your best bet is to lift it up how I did, lift it up like this and take it one by one and put it back in the holes. And I'll show you. Just lift this up right here. Gotta have 2 hands to do, so yes, you gotta have it 2 hands. Now once you get that off and you want to pry it out like so right here, you gotta have the right tool for it, or you're gonna have to work however you do. So right there, try to pop it out like so. Might need a needle nose. I got that off right there. So basically like so. Just grab off 2, 4, 5, 6 of them. You just take that one that you remove and put it back in like this. That's what makes it easier. If you don't do this, it will not work. You will not be able to put this door back in. You're gonna spend hours and hours and struggle and break some stuff. So yep, you got right there. You want to align this right here and put it back down like so. Like see, right there, and all the way to the front, to the yep. Got it like that, and now you got to put everything back, and then it should be done. Make sure all this clip are removed and put it back over there so it wouldn't give you a big gap.